Hello everyone, this is X-Man here again, and I'm here to do a toy review on the Power Rangers Megaforce Gosei Great Megazord. As you can tell, the Gosei Great Megazord comes with 5 different Zords. You have, starting from left to right, you have the Shark, the Snake, the Dragon, the Tiger, and the Phoenix Gosei Megazords. Now, these Zords do represent different vehicles. Um, the shark represents a submarine. The snake is a subway train. The dragon represents an airplane. Uh, the tiger, uh, some sort of a dirt, some sort of a dirt bulldozer thing, and the phoenix represents like a F-16 or F-22 jet fighter. So yeah. Um, so let's go ahead and put all 5 of these Zords together. So let's take away this, take away the dragon, have the snake go like that into where you could attach it to the tiger. And you put them up like that. What comes next? Take the dragon. There's just his tail right here is a sword, but you can see right here is the head to the Megazord. So you're just gonna take that out. Just take this sword out as well. Now you're gonna push in the neck like that. Then let's take home. Put together the body. Then you take the shark and the phoenix like that. Fold in the wings. Put the arms in. Put the camera back a little. And then right about here is where the head attaches. And then this, put this forward right in, and now you have the Gosei Great Megazord. One thing about the Dragon Megazord, his fin, his top fin right here, you can, I like that. Articulation, arms, you, I don't know if you can tell, but the wings. Flap the wings or fold the wings back. A little bit of torso articulation. Not much on leg articulation, except for the feet. So, that about does it for the Gosei Great Megazord. See you guys later.